Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security and Privacy, because this is where App Encryption lives. Once there, tap App Encryption to see the list of protected apps. This shows which apps use the current password. Make sure your device lock is active. The system uses that to authorize changes. Now tap the three-dot menu or Change Password option to begin. You're moving from viewing to editing, so get ready to enter credentials in the next step. You'll be prompted to enter the current app encryption password first. This confirms it's you. Once accepted, type a new password or PIN, pick 6 or more characters, mixing letters and numbers for strength. After entering the new value, confirm it exactly. Mismatches prevent the change. If offered, set a hint that doesn't reveal the password. Make sure to review any prompts about fingerprint or face unlock linkage, because keeping biometric access may when you tap Save or Confirm, the system writes the new password and updates protected apps. Wait for the confirmation toast or message. Once done, open one protected app to verify the new password prompts correctly. This proves the change took effect. If an app still asks for the old password, make sure you reboot the phone and try again. If issues persist, clear the Settings app cache or check for system updates. If nothing works, contact Vivo support with your device model and software version for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.